Picture this. Your very own $1,000 per day dropshipping business. And guess what? You can start it with just $1. Can you believe it? Would you jump on board? Guess what? We've got some epic news for you. Shopify is offering an insane deal to kickstart your dropshipping dream, and it's just $1. Yep, just $1 to start your online business. Step 1, time to explore. Dig into those juicy niches with high demand and less competition. Step 2, sign up with Shopify, the easiest way to get your store up and running in a snap. Step 3, pick awesome suppliers, the ones you can trust to bring top-notch products to your customers. Step 4, show off your goods, spice up your product listings, and make them irresistible. Step 5, design like a boss. Create a stunning store that looks great on phones, tablets, or whatever your customers use. Step 6, make it rain with payments. Set up secure gateways for smooth transactions. Step 7, shout it from the rooftops. Get your marketing game on fleek. Social media, influencers, and all that jazz. Step 8, customer love. Treat your peeps like gold and watch those repeat customers roll in. Step 9, check your stats. Shopify's got the scoop on what's happening in your store. Step 10, level up and make it big. Expand your empire and ride the wave of success. Remember, success requires dedication and persistence. But the rewards are limitless. As entrepreneur Jim Rohn once said, your life does not get better by chance. It gets better by change. Don't miss this chance to change your life and take control of your financial future. No time to waste. Hop on this crazy offer now. Click the link in bio to kickstart your journey to a $1,000 per day dropshipping business with Shopify. Seize this chance to become your own boss and create a thriving online business. Let's make your dreams a reality together. You got this!